Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Today's video is very exciting because it is a collab with Mikayla. Her channel is Our Little Bloom, and I will have all of her information linked in my description box down below. Let's get into a clip of her video. Mikayla is over on Our Little Bloom, and guys, you are going to love her channel. She has grocery hauls, meal ideas, shop with me's, cleaning, organizing. She has all the things. So you guys are going to love her channel. I love her channel. And a little bit more about her. She is married. She has a little boy that is so adorable. She lives in Utah, so please go check her video out after you watch mine and tell her you are coming from my channel. I know she would love to have you. Every time I record this area of the house, it reminds me I need to get a glass for that window. One of the kids broke it, as I figured they one day would, but it took 6 years, so I'm happy with that time frame. But it's super easy to fix. I just have to get a piece of glass cut, and then hopefully maybe it will be the same, or it will look the same. It will match the others. But anyways, they threw a ball or something. No one got hurt, but it did crack it, so I need to replace that. But anyways, I do not have as much decor as I thought I did for whatever reason. I will link for y'all the video where I go through everything, and it looks like a lot, but then when I got into it and was planning on where to put everything, I noticed that most of it was like egg basket fillers and stuff that I wouldn't really use for decorating. So I'm doing what I can do with what I have. I will be adding a few extra things. It's very hard for me to decorate the house because we do live in a small house, and I don't have a whole lot of room to decorate because with a 2-year-old I cannot put anything into reach of him, and he can reach my side table, both side tables, the console. The only thing he cannot reach in the living room is the media stand, and it is with the TV. So the TV, it used to hang on the wall, but once I painted this room, I filled in the holes and we got a new TV, and I just left it on its stand. I was ready for a change. I can only decorate the sides of the media stand. Doesn't really give me a lot of spaces to decorate in the living room.
If I had the chance, I'd probably break free. I could have my ways and I could let it be. I could do what I want, but it's just an illusion, illusion. Yeah, I sometimes feel like I can't grow up. I'm drinking beer right out my coffee cup. I wanna do what I want, it's just an illusion, illusion. Try to come around, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what, I wanna hang with my friends. So what, I wanna go out again. So what, I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show cause it's all that I know. It goes like,
so I don't have as much
Easter decor as I thought I had. I have a few DIYs I still have to do, and that will be added to it. I also have to decorate a wreath for the front door. That's going to be in a different video than today. I also need to go through this and see what I want to put out, and then maybe I can grab a few more things to add to what I decorate for today. So let's go through this box now.
Time's run out, it's just confusion. Try to come around, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what, I wanna hang with my friends. So what, I wanna go out again. So what, I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show cause it's all that I know. It goes like, we're singing. It goes like, I wanna hang with my friends. Just wanna be myself. I wanna hang with my friends. Just wanna be myself. So what, I wanna hang with my friends. So what, I wanna go out again. So what, I wanna write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show cause it's all that I know. It goes like, we're singing. It goes like,
So I'm just curious if you guys like videos with lots of talking, like a medium amount of talking, or some videos maybe with no talking. So let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you prefer. I'd like to see what you guys enjoy seeing and listening to, and give that to you guys. In this clip I am using the Dawn Power Wash. I finally bought it because lots of YouTubers were using it, and I thought, well, I probably need to try that too. But it was so expensive. It was almost $5, I believe, for something. I don't know. Let me know how much you guys have spent on it. I like it. I did like how it sprayed, because usually I just drop some dish soap into the sink and then scrub it that way. Kind of like the same thing. I don't know. But anyways, I don't know if it's something I will always keep on hand or not, but it did work fine. I did like the spray bottle that it came in.
It goes like, I guess it's been a while since I was told last. I can be like this and I can be like that. I guess my time's run out. It's just confusion. Yeah. Have you ever felt like you was on display? Every word you said just had to be explained. I guess my time's run out. It's just confusion. Try to come around, but I know it's gonna take a while. So what, I wanna hang with my...
So on this side of the sink, I'm using this cookie jar that I got from TJ Maxx last year after everything went on sale, and a deviled egg tray that I bought from Target last year after everything went on sale. And it holds, I believe, 6 eggs. It's very small. It doesn't hold that many eggs at all, but I wanted to use it as decoration because I wanted to be able to see it longer. And so I put the little egg craft that we did last year that Aiden and Luke did. They painted these little cracked eggs and we put confetti in them. I put those on it for display, and then I have 2 white eggs that I also put there. One of those will be decorated by Jack later. On this side of the sink, I am putting this pink jar that I got from TJ Maxx last year after everything went on sale, kind of like the cookie jar, and then the small white jar that is an egg and it has the bunny ears. I got that from Kroger probably like 5 years ago. But I'm also just trying to figure out what else I want to put over here, because usually I have my pedestal with the soap on it, so I'm just gonna kind of play around with some things.
I write you a song. It's not my fault that you can't sing along. I try to keep it cool anyways. I try to stay away from mistakes. I'm making my way and I'm good on my own. Skipping the show cause it's all that I know. It goes like, we're singing. It goes like,
So I also wanted to decorate the boys' bathroom just a little bit. I'm putting up a felt carrot banner that I got from Dirt Cheap, but it's actually Target brand. I'm putting that up at the top of their mirror, and I'm also placing a small little bunny that I got from Hobby Lobby on their sink. The little bunny says, "You're my little jelly bean," and I thought that was adorable, so I wanted to get that, and I knew I wanted to put it in here for them. Also, I am cleaning a little bit in their bathroom because you cannot clean their bathroom enough.
Shiver inside, doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection. Ooh, thought it was in my hands, now I'm all confused, turning gold into sand. Don't know what you do to me. All I know is you can take my breath away. Yeah, 'cause when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say now.
I have been searching high and low for a clear jar to put some jelly beans in because I wanted to decorate with jelly beans. Finally found one at Hobby Lobby. I guess I didn't look hard enough the other 2-3 dozen times I've been. Anyways, I found it this last time, and so I'm just trying to come up with a way I can use my pedestal. I also got these 2 little mini bunnies from Hobby Lobby as well.
Just goes away. The things I plan to say. Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I plan, the things I would say. Now I keep rambling on, I sound so cliche. What I am trying
I wanted to share with y'all the Pillsbury Cinnamon Rolls Peaches and Cream. This is their spring limited edition. As you guys know, for Valentine's Day they had the strawberries and cream, and I shared that with y'all. So I just kind of feel like I should share every special or limited edition they have. We love cinnamon rolls, so we like to try them all. We tried the peaches and cream, and the boys liked these a lot. Thank you so much for watching today. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you as my YouTube friend. And also check out my friend Mikayla over on Our Little Bloom. Give her video a watch and subscribe to her channel. I know you guys are going to love her, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!